News that's coming in, it's singer Mika who's now slammed Diljit Dosanjh for filming a movie with a Pakistani actor. Mika said that this is a fake singer and he's taken a jibe at Diljit Dosanjh. Mika said, think twice before working with Pakistani actors. Fake singer did 10 shows and then disappeared. Diljit is now facing a lot of backlash for the movie where he's starring with a Pakistani actor. Anti-Operation Sindoor Pakistani actor in Diljit Dosanjh's movie. Hania Amir called Operation Sindoor as a cowardly act. So now we are seeing Mika Singh, who's now taken a pot shot at Diljit Dosanjh and said that he's an actor who's working with a Pakistani actor, something that he should not have done. My colleague Anjali Pandey is now joining me on the story. Anjali, Diljit Dosanjh facing a lot of backlash for casting the Pakistani actress Hania in his film Sardarji 3.
Absolutely, Aishwarya. After the netizens, now it's singer Mika Singh who has slammed Diljit Dosanjh for releasing the trailer of his movie Sardarji 3 with Pakistani actress Hania Amir. In fact, he has also cited another movie which was starring Fawad Khan alongside Vani Kapoor, which was stalled amid the tensions between India and Pakistan. It was slated to be released in the month of May, but it was stalled after Pahalgam attack and also after Operation Sindoor, and in fact it remains to be stalled. So he has cited that example that if one movie can be stalled, why did not Diljit Dosanjh also choose to either replace the actress or to stall the release? Though the producers have justified, in fact Diljit Dosanjh have also issued a justification saying that the movie will not be released in India but overseas, but that does not really serve as a justification for people in India who are saying that the movie will anyway earn from the profits of the Indians living overseas, and that is why they said that the producers should have taken a call to replace the actress. Although there were reports after Operation Sindoor took place that Hania Amir will be replaced, but that does not seem to be the case now.
Thank you, Anjali, giving us all those details. It is singer Mika Singh who's now taken a pot shot at Diljit Dosanjh for casting a Pakistani actress in his new film Sardarji 3.